Hey you guys, welcome back. First off, I want to start off by giving you guys a huge thanks for getting me to 10K. This is such a huge milestone for me and I have you guys to thank for that. Thank you so much for continuing to support my channel and coming back to watch my videos. It truly means the world to me, and what better way to say thank you than to come at you guys with a cleaning video. And let me just say that our home was a disaster. I'm a full-time working mama, so finding the time to clean is tough sometimes, which is why I do a majority of my cleaning late at night when all my littles are already in bed. This is just what works for us. And on that note, don't let anyone make you feel bad for not having a clean home or for having a different cleaning routine than them. At the end of the day, it's your home and you do what works best for you. I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning video and find some motivation from it. And please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you again for all of the support. It really doesn't go unnoticed and I see all of the love from you guys. Thanks again. I really can't say it enough and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
What it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know if something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to feel my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we from now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Wanna feel something deep. Do I really need your saving? You're the one on time I've wasted. Now the story is new, just a chapter or two. Will it be the same at the end? Don't want it to finish if we end. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy?
I just want to show you guys what time it is. 1:52 a.m. Dedication.
Are you recording me?
Yeah, I am.
Man, it's 1:53 actually.
In this story,